we got Subway. Before we dive into this foot-long sandwich, I just wanted to say thank you for all your support. Xander Eats now is just over 1,000 followers. I only started this on Friday the 13th in February. Thank you very much. I also just want to say that I spend my lunch times here with you because here where I live at the moment, it is a building site and it's being built. I have no kitchen, so you can understand this is how I spend my lunch times, getting a sandwich, getting a snack, and sitting here on camera and eating it with you. Let's dive in now. So today I got a Italian BMT. Basically it's turkey and ham, full of salad, got some tissues. I'm gonna save one for later. There you go, you can have a look at that. Let's open it up inside so you can see. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Oops, salad's dropped out. Pickle. I want to thank you for joining me for lunch. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And once again, I want to thank you for helping me reach over 1,000 followers. Please continue to support me by helping me reach 10,000 followers. And until my next Xander Eats video, ciao for now.